Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to disable vibration in WhatsApp chats notifications. If you're tired of your phone constantly buzzing every time you receive a message on WhatsApp, we've got you covered. To start, open WhatsApp on your Android device. Next, tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up a drop-down menu. From there, tap on Settings. Once in the Settings menu, tap on Notifications. This will bring up a list of notification settings for your WhatsApp account. Look for the Messages section and tap on Vibrate. Under the Vibrate settings, you'll see options to customize how your phone vibrates when receiving messages. To turn off vibration for WhatsApp chats notifications, simply select Off. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can now enjoy a more peaceful messaging experience on WhatsApp, without the constant buzzing of your phone. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.